Okay then guys, let's take a close look. Wow, so here's our really large recycling bin. It's got the recycling logo on the front there, pretty cool, with 2 wheels and a clippy bit at the back. No rubbish in there yet. Okay, so let's take a close look at the front. We've got the TONKA badge there, the lights here. We've got 3 buttons that will give us the sounds. It says TONKA refuse truck waste disposal number 8673. Think green, stay clean. That's a very cool message. Okay, we can see right inside there, no rubbish as of yet, but let's check out the lights and sounds. Then guys, if you like toys, be sure to like this video and be sure to subscribe to the MGTRACEY channel, and also 4 boxes will appear at the end of this video. Touch on one of those boxes to continue the toy fun.